to this vlog, you guys. This is going to be the busiest day ever. I feel like I have 1.5 million things to do before I leave for my lake house tomorrow. Surprise, I'm going back. I feel like this past week, actually this coming week too, is just going to be so hectic with like a little bit of travel, but only a little bit. Like it's only 2 hours away between here and my lake house, you know? But yeah, I decided I want to go back because I really want to see my sister. She's there right now. She's back from Ireland. And so I'm going to go for a couple of days. I'm going to bring Brody. It's going to be so fun. But today I have to like get all my things in order to be able to go tomorrow. I just have a bunch of like errands I have to run. I have a meeting at noon. It's already 10. So yeah, I have to like get a bunch of things out of the way today. I just finished my workout at Orange Theory. It was so, oh man, I can't even like lift my arms right now. Wow. There it is. Wow, I'm like already sore. It was a strength day, so the weights were so heavy. I'm so sore. I also feel like my ears need to pop. Does that happen to you guys if you are in a workout class? Or maybe it's like the loud music or the weights. I don't know. I feel like my ears need to pop. Anyway, welcome to the vlog. I'm heading home. Oh, freak yeah, you guys. I just got my packages and I got my Nasty Gal package in. I'm so excited right now. It's like Christmas morning. If you guys are obsessed with clothes, then you know this feeling. I'm so excited. I need to like take everything out and try it all on right now because I cannot wait. So I showered, did a little bit of makeup, blew out my hair. I'm feeling so much better. But here are the first pieces, you guys. Very first piece I got is this tank top. I am so obsessed, you guys. You may notice if you are following me on my Instagram that I've been so obsessed with pink. Maybe just because it's the summertime and I feel like every day I'm wearing a new pink shirt, pink dress. I'm just obsessed with this like bubblegum hot pink right now. I think it's so cute and yeah, especially perfect for the end of summer right now. I hate how everyone, by the way, is like, oh my gosh, like end of summer. I'm like, no. It's like mid-August. We still have a lot of hot weather, so I'm totally fully in summer mode still. Anyway, I just love this pink tank top so much. I think I found it on Nasty Gal's new in section. I am always, that's like my unhealthy habit, you guys. I'm always stalking the new in section online on clothing websites because I always just want to see like the new pieces, if I need anything, the new trends, the new pieces coming in. Do any of you do that? Like I've been notorious for like stalking every day the new in section because I'm just obsessed. But yeah, I love this pink top. I think it's so cute, you guys. I've been so into pink. This is like the perfect little pink top. Probably would not wear it with these shorts, but I just threw these on together because the next most exciting piece I got, I would say, are these black high-waisted shorts. These are the perfect high-waisted black little denim shorts. I didn't have any black shorts. I swear I've had black shorts in the past, and then this summer I've been looking for black shorts. I don't have any black shorts, so these are so perfect, just like denim. I'm loving this style right now where like the denim shorts has like distressing on the bottom. I think they're so cute, and I was gonna say I could wear this running errands. I don't really like pink and black together though. Do you guys do that? I feel like it looks fine, but I feel like growing up, I don't know, like it was like a no-no. Did you guys wear pink and black together? Anyway, this top is like a little too fancy for errands, so I'll probably wear these black shorts and find like a different top to put on. Before I forget to mention, every little piece I'm gonna be showing you that I got from Nasty Gal, I'll have a link down below in the description so you can shop all these pieces and we can be twins. All right, next up we have this cozy, comfy PJ set. I've been so into matching PJ sets. I think just because it's summer, it's hot, and they're really like lightweight and cool feeling instead of wearing like sweatpants and a sweatshirt to bed, you know? So I thought these were so cute. Also, may I point out, insane quality. Like this is so nice. I would literally wear this out as like a cute little set. It kind of looks like a linen, I don't know, just set. Maybe because I'm obsessed with wearing matching sets, but I literally would wear this. I feel like you could make it chic with some sandals, like accessorize it. Especially this top. I'm so into button-down tops in the summer over dresses by themselves, like tucked into things. So I would completely wear this during the day, even though I know it's a PJ set. I think it's so cute, so comfy, and here I'm going to show you how I would wear it with like jeans. All right. I know I unbuttoned a lot of buttons, but hear me out. I feel like this is such a chic like dinner vibe, having like a button up top more like loosely unbuttoned. You could always do like sticky tape too to make sure it's not like fully open, but I feel like with nice jeans you could do heels, you could do sneakers. I don't know, I feel like it's like a chic look. Or I mean, I'd probably wear it more. I feel like this is how I've been wearing button downs more if I just have this like fully open with a dress, or I could do like a crop top tank top underneath, and this is just like another layer. So yeah, I just wanted to show you how I would do it like that. And then I got these black jeans which fit me so perfectly. They're high-waisted, they're a little more not boot cut, I guess like just straight leg leg denim. They're a perfect length on me for all you tall girls out there. 5'9", and I'm so happy that these are long enough on me and they're not too tight, not too loose. They're like just fit me perfectly. They're comfy, cute, and just like a really nice staple pair of black jeans. And we've got this light blue dress. Can you tell I'm into the light blue? I feel like just loving the hot pink, the light blue, which this is so cute. It's like a baby doll type of style. I feel like that's how you call it. And just like this really nice linen material. Obviously it's like different layers. I feel so chic in this just for the summer. Oh, these are the best like summery pieces. And then obviously like the ruched, what do you call this? Like balloon sleeves. I also like this because I feel like you could kind of pull it off the shoulder, and that's also really cute. Off the shoulder, I feel like it's very flattering, and it's just so cozy because it's like more oversized and loose, but so cute at the same time. So it'll be cute and comfortable. Last but not least, I got the cutest little beanie. It's this light green color, like a sage green. I was gonna say I'm also obsessed with this green. I guess I'm just obsessed with color in general right now. Instead of neutrals, like for the summer, it's just warm and it's fun to wear some color. So it's like this little lacy, not lace detail. What do you call that style? Can someone comment down below and tell me? And there's like those little cutout details. That's not lace. Anyway, I love the bottoms too because they're like thicker on the sides. I don't like the ones that just tie. I don't know, I feel kind of naked and less comfortable, but I feel really comfortable in like the thicker style bottom. So yes, again, I'll have everything linked down below for you guys. If you're wondering for sizing, I'm typically a US 6 and everything. And yeah, back in my new favorite black shorts, and I just threw on this sweater. Honestly, I'm chilly, maybe because I keep it so freaking cold in our apartment, but I just got this over the weekend in New Jersey at a little boutique, and I think it's so cute. It'll keep me warm. Well, it's hot out, so I'll probably be hot once I get outside, but I'm cold for now. And Max is going to join us. We can run some errands.
Hello, everybody.
Tell them about your weekend with Brody.
My boys' weekend with the boy.
I'm sure they missed you.
We had a great weekend. We didn't do a whole lot. We slept, we rested. We started Ted Lasso.
Oh yeah, I want to watch.
What did you do?
A whole lot of that.
Yeah, he slept for most of the weekend. We went on a couple rollerblades, and that was that.
I missed that.
Not as fun as your weekend.
I know, we had a weekend.
Now what are we doing?
Now I am shipping sneakers to Mandy that she left behind. I'm picking up a package actually for, I know, I need to get over, I know.
Oh, well, it's coming up close.
I know.
Did they
Max always likes to tell me, he always likes to tell me like where to go, like directions when I know where I'm going. That's your favorite thing.
Well, sometimes you don't know where you're going.
Yeah, but
here, anyway. This is the first time I've seen you do this without your phone.
No.
Yes.
I know how to get to the ring on my own. I just can't get back from the ring.
Oh, that's what
anyway, one of Max's teammates, his girlfriend. Honestly, I can't believe this hasn't happened more with your teammates because being here during the year and then not in the summer, like obviously some of their packages still come here. So when I grab one of her packages, ship Mandy's sneakers to her and
maybe get a coffee.
Starbucks. I like just finished my morning coffee, but I could do like a fun sugary one. You know? I do know. Do you need anything at the mall while we're over here?
Nah, the mall stinks.
No, I like it.
Oh, you do?
It's just usually like a lot of people. Like you can't find a parking spot. It's like a lot going on. I like it in there. Huh. I like the outdoor part.
Yeah.
You know?
All right.
Running errands. Guys, our HelloFresh box just came. I'm so excited to make dinner tonight. Not sponsored. Buy it with my own money. It's gonna be so good. So I wanted to show you guys. I know I showed you over the weekend that I ordered this phone case on Case to Buy, and it is like my new favorite thing. All my girlfriends in New Jersey were like obsessed. They're like, oh my god, this is the best case ever. So especially if you have a dog, like make this one. Again, not sponsored. You guys know I work with them sometimes, but I just freaking love their phone cases. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Just ran in here. You are the clingiest dog I know. Going under the desk. Anyway, so I wanted to show you. I know I showed you this one, but I didn't show you guys the other one. Okay, so, well, this one I actually had on my phone before. So this one I already had, but these ones I ordered. You guys know, or maybe you remember, I actually had this exact case before and I lost it. I don't know where it went, but it was just this white, exact same one. White cheetah print one, and I love this one. I think it's so cute and like simple, but still like fun, like a little, I don't know, print, you know? So then I decided to get it in black too. So I love those. And then I also got, oh, I wish I had my other one. It's around somewhere. Maybe I'll see if I can find it. I have this case, but it says Gretchen, and I love it so much, and I always get questions about it from you guys. And yeah, it's just like this sand oatmeal color. I don't know how you call it. It has like little speckles from Case to Buy. I think this one is made out of recycled materials, or it's like compostable or something. That's what I remember about this. I know they all kind of are. Anyway, I got it to say Brody because I just thought that would be really fun. And since it's such a light colored case, mine has gotten kind of dirty because I have had it on my phone for so long. So I decided to get a new one. And I thought it was cute that it said Brody. So I just want to show you guys these ones because I think they're really cute. And I mean, obviously my favorite would be this one. Like, it just makes me smile. Are you kidding? I don't know what to do.
Look at that guy.
Welcome to our cooking show.
Are we doing that?
Yeah.
Lovely.
They love when we cook. And I love when we cook dinner together. I hope you enjoyed our little dancing moment just now. Just to get amped up to cook dinner. You know, sometimes you just need some energy before you cook. Like, sometimes it takes a while.
Yeah, no, I'm not for real.
I know, I'm taking this off. I'm too hot from our dancing moment. Okay, I'll be your sous chef. Normally, you guys, I feel like if we cook HelloFresh, like, one of us will be the main one that like reads all the steps, and then the other one is the sous chef that listens to the main chef. So what should I start with?
You can start by chopping tomato, scallions, lime.
On a different cutting board.
Well, let me just cut this real quick.
Okay. Oh, much better. Do you like my new PJ shorts?
Yeah. Are those the boxer shorts? Is that what they're called?
Yeah, they're like boxer style.
You look like a boxer.
Oh. Whoa. I just put that together. Just boxer style shorts.
Yep.
I know boxer style shorts were like for like boxing.
Yeah.
Like athletes. But then boxers that guys wear as underwear, those are also that style, because in my mind these are like boxer underwear.
Oh yeah, those are more boxers.
They look
you
like
have
underwear.
shorts that look like
Boxing shorts. Why don't you tell them what you've been up to in life? Lots of driving?
Yeah, too much driving.
I don't know if I've told them that. Basically, Max has been driving like an hour and a half.
Yeah,
hour 20 to Voorhees every morning. Well, during the week.
Yeah.
To skate.
And work out.
Is there no ice here yet?
Cracking open a cold one with the boys.
I am cracking open a cold one with the boys. You guys, this is my one beer that I like, Allagash White.
I was
It's
gonna
so
say you
good.
can put it in my Stella glass if you want.
You guys, look at these. They look so good. Oh my god, I'm so excited. We're gonna eat this entire pan. You guys, we had this one once before. It's so good. I think it's their pork enchiladas is what it's called. And it's like honestly so quick and easy and just like delicious. Like, I'm so excited right now. This one probably isn't like the healthiest of all time, but it's so good. It's like loaded in sour cream and cheese, but it's so good.
Easy. Just me in the dark. Goodbye's never easy, so break it to me hard.
Who needs Luke Bryan when you got Max to say, look who came! Who came out here because he heard your beautiful singing. So break it to me hard. You guys, don't look at our puzzle that we've had going for like months. That's what we should do tonight. Finish that god dang puzzle.
Over it. Get rid of it. Too many pieces. I got too big a puzzle.
I like how our drinks look alike, but mine's beer and yours is spin drink. This is so backwards. Normally I would be having spin drips and you would have a beer. Guys, look at him. Brody, you don't get any.
But I get you,
get kibble.
Some more kibble.
Morning, it's the next morning. I am just packing up for my lake house right now, getting all ready to go. Since Brody and I are leaving this morning. Mornings have been my favorite recently because it means it's time for more coffee. I didn't even show you guys, but we didn't end up getting coffee yesterday afternoon. Max just made one in our Nespresso here, made like a hot one, and it was so good. Little splash. Perfect, not too much. Okay, I think I am mostly packed up. I just have to grab my laptop, some like last minute things, throw Brody's stuff in the car, his crate. I knew you would come join me. You are so clingy, boy. And I think he gets a little uneasy when he sees that I'm packing stuff up, like he thinks that I'm going without him. But you always come with. We never leave you behind. Is that like your biggest fear? Because he gets all anxious, I can tell, like when we're packing up. But you're coming with the Lakey. You love Lakey. What I wanted to show you guys is, oh, you want it? Oh, bless you. You want to keep being pet? Okay, what I want to show you guys is, remember the last time I went to the Cape, I had a full-blown meltdown trying to pack. Like, it just makes me so anxious. So I started, oh, you want to play? Okay. I started using this reminder app in my phone, which if you have a better way of like having lists, like if you're packing, let me know and I can try that. But yeah, I've never used the reminders app in my phone, but maybe this can help you guys out if you're like me and get all anxious. Okay, I wanted to show you. So I really don't know if this is like the right way to use this, but I did like different sections. So I have clothes, toiletries, tech, miscellaneous, Brody for when I'm traveling, because that's usually everything, and everything kind of fits in those categories. So for example, I wanted to show you. Okay, so like this is Brody's list, like everything I have for him. And so I need to grab his lead, which is like, I don't even know if that's the right name for it, but it's just like a really long leash so that we can like tie it up to the tree out front if we're out front, whatever. We kind of usually let him run the whole time anyway. I don't really know if I need that because he sticks close by and there's like no one there, so he just kind of like runs around in the woods. And then his crate I have to grab because that needs to go in the car first because it's like the biggest, and then I have like a whole system. So yeah, I don't know, maybe if you guys get all anxious for packing, I wanted to show you. And then I clicked the setting like show, or you can click show completed or hide completed, and I'm not gonna click hide because I like to show it so I can see like what I already packed and you can like check it off. And then every time I pack, it's all in there because I always forget, guys, my toiletry list is like 30 things long, and I'll always forget like something like lip balm or deodorant or my razor. I feel like I always forget a razor, and it's so annoying when you're somewhere and you're like forgetting something. The technology section is very helpful because I'm always forgetting phone charger, laptop charger, stuff like that. So yeah, we are gonna get all packed up. You are going crazy right now. What are you doing? Are you doing somersault? But yeah, just want to show you guys getting all packed up. We are about to leave for the lake. We're gonna have so much fun. You're gonna see Lulu. Lulu is like his favorite person in the whole wide world, huh? I think Louisa and Lucy are your favorite people, huh? But yeah, we'll be back in like 2 days. It'll just be a quick situation, but I'd end off the vlog here since I'm going to start a new lake vlog once I get there. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and I will see you in my next one. Oh, also don't mind, I'm an outfit repeater. I put this on again today because it's so comfy and cute. And yeah, okay, see you in my next video. Bye.